Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. We're going to give Vanessa, Kimberly and Vanessa a facial with Mycena mask. What is Mycena? Let's see, what's Mycena? This is the one we're using. Mycena, this is coconut Mycena. You can use the yellow box. I don't have the yellow box, but I was gonna do that. So for right now, I'm going to clean her face with Dynamics Balance and Jafra. See, and this is what she is using right now. Okay, this is water. So I'm gonna sprinkle water in her face. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna sprinkle some in my hand so they can be soft. Okay. And this mask I'm gonna put on her. It's going to be the you can do this in the shower too. So I'm just going to, this is a soapy gel. Drying her face, I'm going to start putting in the mask. Look, one tablespoon of Mycena and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Although I used this yesterday, so I just put a little bit of vinegar and water, and that will do. So I think they're okay. Everything works. We'll see you in 20 minutes. Bye. Okay, 20 minutes have passed. So her face is white and dry. You can see, as you can see, let's see if I can open up a little bit. See? Now she's gonna go ahead and wash her face with the same cleanser that she used first. So she'll be back. Okay, let me right now her face is clean. Tell me how you feel your face.
I feel it soft. Very soft.
Very soft. Okay.
Yeah.
When I used it yesterday, my face felt dry, achy, and since she's oily, actually part oily, and part dry, she's gonna be okay with it. Okay, and her breakouts look less, so we'll see how everything works out tomorrow. Okay, now that we've done the cleaning, we use the Dynamic. We are going to use the toner. Okay, so this is the toner. I'm just gonna go like this, and I'm just going to tap it around. Always avoid your eyes. Okay, now we are going to put a little bit of air just to feel the freshness. Do you feel fresh? Yeah, it feels good. This will close your pores. So we are ready to put the night cream on.
Oh, so it's dry.
Yeah, now it's dry. Okay, now I'm going to proceed with the cream. That is almost gone, but that's fine, I guess. In the 5 spots. I'm going to give her a little massage, and we are going to go like this, and we're gonna go up. We're gonna go like this. Go up. When you're by yourself, you just try to push everything up. We're gonna try out the brightening dynamics, and if it doesn't work on her face, we're gonna jump to the Jafra royal jelly. We'll see how. So now that I'm feeling that there's no more cream, we are going to just finish. So okay, this is a nighttime routine that she follows every day, every night. So that's it. Bye bye.
Okay, hi guys. So my mom did a facial on my face for Jafra, and the products she's using, the products that I use, it's this one, which is Dynamics Balancing. This is a night moisturizer. It's what I use at night. And this one is for in the mornings. So you will see that my skin was really dryness, and it burned right here because I have like pimples and stuff. But right now, this is what I feel. I feel soft. It feels nice. And I use this one, which is the Dynamics Balancing. Is a cleanser. That's what I use. And for the toner, I use this one. So that's what I use. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, my facial. Yeah, and that's it. So I really think this facial did work. I feel it's soft. And if you're suffering from pimples or dry skin or oily, I really recommend Jafra because it's really good product to use. So give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.